Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an invoice here in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating an invoice in Stripe is a straightforward process that is particularly helpful for businesses and freelancers managing online payments. Alright, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. And go to the shortcuts if you have that, depending on how you set up your Stripe account. There's going to be invoices here wherein we can create an invoice. Okay, I want you to click this plus button, and we're going to customize invoices later. All right, but for now, let's click the purple button here to test and create our invoice for now. Now you want to make sure that all the information is correct. All right, so you have the option of edit test invoice. This is going to be the default invoice. All right, so you have all this information at you. We can click the edit customer information. All right, for example, this is going to be a Jeep Labs invoice. Reference number is 6.9. Okay, so you can choose the email if you wanted. All right, you can put the email of the customers you wanted to create an invoice to, depending on where you want to send it. On the language, of course, you have all of these options that you wanted to put in, but I'm gonna set it in default. You can add additional details here, which means the account information is for test, billing information, choose a country. You can put in the mobile number as well. And if you wanted to avoid duplicate entry, you might want to check the box here for same as billing details. You don't have to type it from scratch. You can choose a time zone. For example, since we are on the US, you might want to choose the US Central or Eastern. I'm gonna Eastern Standard Time. Currency is dollar. Invoice prefix is, this is highly customizable. You can put in that. But please be mindful that changes to the invoice prefix will affect the numbers on invoices that you issue on customer going forward. And the next invoice sequence, it's all up to you. Tax status, taxable, exempt, reverse charge. So these are dependent on what is the purpose of the invoice. All right, tax ID is going to be these options. All right, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I can put in the number and you can add another ID. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is click the update customer button here, and you would have the information as well. You have the preview of the invoice. Okay, you also have the option to hide preview. You see on the email, you want to make sure that this invoice is correct and getting on the right invoice. Okay, you have the payment tab, wherein if you click it, you see. Now once you are happy with that, all you have to do is click this send invoice button on the upper right corner. You have the invoice PDF. You have the email payment page. You can simply continue editing. Let's do that. But you would be reverted back here on the invoice builder. Click the send invoice again. Click the send invoice. Let's see what's going to happen. The test invoice was sent to the jeeplabs@gmail.com. So I'm going to check my email right now to see if the PDF invoice was sent successfully. Now, as you can see, I have received the invoice from Stripe without any problems. And if you wanted to pay this invoice, if you click this small button here, you would be forwarded to the Stripe dashboard. That's how automatic it is. The Stripe allows you to customize invoices with your business logo and brand colors, making them look professional if you wanted to have that full control. And as you can see, Stripe lets you track the status of the invoice, like pending, paid, overdue, in real time. This makes it easy to manage outstanding payments. You have the option to download the invoice and download the receipt. Okay, now I'm switching over to the Stripe dashboard again, because in the invoices section again on the shortcuts, you have another option wherein if you click the create invoice, hold on. There's going to be a three dots icon here wherein you have the settings and invoice settings. I want you to click on the invoice settings because this is going to be the invoice that you wanted to custom with if you wanted to have like a default memo. For example, I'm going to put in a small message here. So you have more control, all right? You can also allow customer to a scheduled payment. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save, all right? Now, here we have the invoice templates, wherein you have multiple options for you if you don't want to start from scratch. Right now, I don't have any template for the invoice, but we will do that in a separate video. But just I'm showing you some options that you have because you're not limited. You have the code templates right here if you wanted. For example, you're gonna send a quotation and invoice for a potential customer, you might want to do that as well. In the invoices here, you can have another option on the bottom wherein there's going to be a plus button. That's the Stripe apps. You can add your favorite business tools to Stripe so that you have more control over your invoices. You can add Charge Flow, QuickBooks, Data Mapper for MailChimp, Rewardful, and Zero. Okay? Now, if you hover back to the invoices again, if you wanted to, for example, delete this specific invoice, you think you're already done with this, again, you have the option to download PDF or duplicate the invoice, view the customer, and then you have more options on the filter. You can see the frequency, refund status for invoices, and a lot more. All right, so the idea is that the invoices here in Stripe simplifies the payment processes, provides a professional appearance, and helps businesses scale while maintaining efficient financial information and operations, because Stripe's invoicing system automates many manual processes like sending reminders, applying taxes, and calculating totals, saving you time for your business. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.